ZenLedger Wallet Tracker app. The pros, the cons. Keeping track of your crypto taxes and portfolio can be a nightmare. That's where the ZenLedger Wallet Tracker app steps in, and most people don't realize how much time and stress it can save. Let's look at the pros and cons of this powerful crypto accounting tool. Starting with the pros. ZenLedger is designed for portfolio tracking and tax reporting. It automatically connects to your wallets and exchanges, pulling in every transaction, whether it's a Bitcoin trade, and purchase or a fee swap. The app then organizes all that data into clear reports for capital gains, losses and income. Its biggest strength is automation. Instead of manually entering trades, ZenLedger syncs with hundreds of platforms including Coinbase, MetaMask, Binance and Kraken. Within minutes, you can get a full financial overview of your crypto activity. It's also IRS compliant and used by professional accountants, which adds credibility. For US users, it can even generate ready-to-file tax forms like Form 8949, saving hours of frustration during tax season. The interface is another win. Everything is presented in clean dashboards that show your holdings, asset growth, and taxable events. And because it supports NIS and DeFi protocols, you won't miss out on tracking those often overlooked areas. Now for the cons. The first is price. While there's a free tier, serious users often need to upgrade to paid plans, especially if they have large transaction histories. Another limitation is that ZenLedger focuses on US tax standards, so international users may find it less useful for their local regulations. Finally, like any third-party data aggregator, ZenLedger requires access to your transaction history. While it uses encryption and security best practices, privacy-focused users may hesitate to share that level of detail. In summary, the ZenLedger Wallet Tracker app is a lifesaver for crypto investors who want accuracy, automation, and peace of mind. It's not just about taxes, it's about finally understanding your entire crypto portfolio in one place. If you trade often or want to stay ahead of tax season, ZenLedger could be your best financial ally.